Alright, so I'm going to show you nerds how to change out your steering wheel on your 1987 Corolla. So, there's two screws on each side of the steering wheel. They're Phillips. Same on this side. Grab your Phillips head, pop those out. This comes off, and I'm not really sure if it's a 17mm bolt behind this horn or 19 mil, but we'll see once we pop it off. So we'll do that right now. I'm trying to rip this off. Okay, so since your horn's off, it's held on by 4 clips. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I kind of ripped off the horn really quick, so I ended up taking the horn connector off this plug right here really quickly. And now we can get to the mounting nut, and it's a 19 mil, so we're going to torque that off, and this wheel should come off. Okay, so now the fun part, we unscrew this, and then we bang it off, and boom, it's already free. And be sure that when you do this, it's top dead center, because that way we don't have any misalignments when we put the new wheel on. Alright, good. So we're gonna do that. Pay no attention to how the wheel's already on the hub, because I did that ahead of time, and yeah, I already know how this goes on, so it's fine. Like so. Alright, and then we put the nut back on, and I'll pull out the torque wrench, and then we'll torque it down. And the torque setting, it's 25 foot-pounds. The conversion for 3.5 kilograms is 25.3. Just added the 0.3 part because I wanted to be a little more accurate in my measurement. So that's what we're gonna do. Grab your socket. So yeah, 3.5 kilograms is 25.3 foot-pounds. So we'll just torque this down. And there you have it. The wheel's cocked to the side because I needed to lock it, which I'll fix right now. Just give me a second here. Oh, okay, there we go. Yeah, so it's on. And then all we have to do now is put the horn, which I'll do right now. And there you go. I didn't record it, but I'm pretty sure you saw from the last clip there was a little wire that was sticking out coming from the hub, and it connects to the horn button. So there you go. And it looks pretty nice. Probably a little too much for this car, but you know, it's my personal taste to let me know this is my car and I can do whatever I want. So whatever. Now all I need to do is fix that thing right there. That's not supposed to do that, but I don't know if you can see that. Woo. Yeah, I need to fix that. There you go. That's how you install an aftermarket steering wheel on your 6th generation Toyota Corolla, which I highly doubt anybody would ever buy one of these, which is... Oh, but if you do, I mean, you found yourself a very rare Corolla, because you rarely see these anymore. Anyway, that's the end of the video.